Welcome back to News Acharya. I am Sunidhi of ANR BSA, bringing you the latest educational developments from Acharya Institutes. Esteemed delegates from Uzbekistan visited Acharya and were serenaded with cultural performances at the campus. Among the delegates were Zaripur Boter, Governor of Bukhara, Asadov Rizo, Deputy Governor of Bukhara, Agilon Yakshev, Head of Ministry of Digital Technologies, Bukhara Region, and Safaro Sober, Head of IT Park, Bukhara. The team of delegates also participated in a tree plantation ceremony and were received with a warm welcome. Acharya's NR Institute of Physiotherapy observed International Cerebral Palsy Day by conducting an awareness program in association with the AMG Charitable Trust. The seminar aimed to spread understanding among parents and therapists on how to care for children with special needs. The program provided clinical exposure to students while encouraging them to be involved in social activities and teamwork. Dr. Mallikarjunaya HS, Principal and Professor of Acharya's NR Institute of Physiotherapy, along with Ms. Tanochi Monti, Associate Professor, served as a resource person. Students from Acharya's NRV School of Architecture recently achieved notable success by securing honorable mentions at the CASA, an international architecture competition organized by ArchMello. The challenge entailed designing the world's most extraordinary home, allowing the participants the freedom to explore diverse design ideas and select a site anywhere on the planet. Impressively, two teams from 7th semester, namely Nabil Devanshi and Jacob Prakriti along with Nikin, showcased their exceptional talent and earned honorable mentions. Acharya celebrated Karnataka Rajyotsava in a vibrant display and performances of Kannada art and culture, enlivening the campus with Nudi Taranga event. Students performed various art forms and participated in cultural events to honor and commemorate the Karnataka heritage. Acharya opens admission for the 2024-25 academic year across all its constituent colleges. Students now can apply for all diploma and undergraduate programs that Acharya offers. For more details, please do visit our campus or our website www.acharya.ac.in. Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies (AIGS) has been awarded A+ grade by NAAC, affirming our commitment to academic brilliance, innovative research, and top-notch faculty. This accreditation speaks volumes about Acharya's holistic approach to education, ensuring comprehensive and enriching learning experience for our students. Heartfelt congratulations extended to the management, faculty, and students. For more educational updates from Acharya, keep watching News Acharya.